together with you.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to another vlog.
Hello guys.
Oh, it doesn't.
We are using our new camera. So tiny, so tiny.
Yeah, I still don't know how to control it.
This side.
Oh my god, it's locked on my face.
Okay. Let's do it. It's like you're talking to a robot, you know.
It's locked on my face. It doesn't want to show to me. It doesn't on my face.
It's okay.
The controls are not working right now. But later na lang guys, adjust natin yan. So ngayon, meron na naman kami mga errands. Meron kaming i-collect na parcel, yung kanyang birthday gift. Sa wakas dumating ako.
Finally, oh my god.
Yes, hindi nyo siya talaga makita. Okay. Wait lang guys. Try ko nga kung fit kayo dito sa aming dashboard. Or not. Not really. Smooth ba? Kasi nag-aano kami, bumpy yung aming daan. Ayaw talaga mag-focus kayo sa weed. Oh my god. Wait lang guys. Wait. Never mind guys. Naka-on pala yung aking face track. So hindi ko siya magagalaw ngayon. Kasi yung menu niya, dapat nakakonect ka sa cellphone mo. Yung tawag dito, yung kanyang connection. Basta yung nilalagay mo para makonect yung phone na sa bahay. So bayaan nyo na yan. Ako lang ang makikita nyo sa buong vlog for today. Ayaw nyo talaga mag-focus kayo sa main. So, ayun na nga, kukunin natin yung kanyang bagong cellphone. Yayamanin po itong asawa kong Indiano. Mahal po mag-jowa ng Indiano. Tapos, pupunta na naman tayo sa bangko. Yan yung mga errands natin. And, after nun, susubukan kong i-film yung gusto kong i-film na content para sa December. Sana magkaroon kami ng time na ma-film yun. So, titingnan namin siya guys after ng mga lakad-lakad namin. And, sila, ano pala, aking bayaw at Pilas, umuwi sila sa village. So, for today or tonight, dalawa lang kami ni Sumit muna dito sa bahay. Sobrang ganda nung camera. So, super live.
Yeah.
Last time, I feel tired like every time I vlog like this. Because most of the time guys, kapag nasa sasakyan kami, ako yung naghahawak. Kasi kapag nilagay ko siya dito sa dashboard, dumudulas. So, kailangan talagang nakaganyan ako. Kaya, mas mataba na naman ako tingnan kasi ako yung malapit sa camera. Pero with this one, oh, super light. Tapos, wide angle pa siya. Right? This wide angle?
This is wide angle, 90 degrees view. And there is one more accessory to make it 110 degrees view.
Oh my god, really?
So that's too wide.
I want that.
It's like you're using ultra wide lens on your iPhone.
I want that.
Something like that. But that's too wide.
Where is that accessory? You have to buy it?
Yeah, around 4,000 rupees.
Oh, ito po ang sagot sa mga matataba dyan tignan sa camera. This is the answer for those who have like wide face, round face, right? You will look thinner. Ayan, ang daming nagsasabi sa inyo na mukha akong mataba sa camera. But in reality, in real life, hindi po ako ganun kataba. Kasi, depende rin kasi yan sa angle eh. Naano mo rin yan sa mga angulo eh. Kapag gusto mo medyo pumayat, taas mo ng konti. Ayan, payat na ba ako? Kasi usually kapag nag-vlog ako talagang mababa lang kasi nahihiya akong itaas yung camera. And guys, test ko lang tong camera dito sa sasakyan habang umaandar kami and bumpy yung road. Ayan, gusto ko yung camera. I'm very very happy with this camera. Now, tingnan nyo naman yung road.
It's like robot.
Oo, ang ganda. Very smooth talaga siya. O yan, hawak ko lang siya ha. Ako lang humahawak sa kanya. Hindi ko siya nilagay dyan sa dashboard. Ang ganda, very smooth talaga. Pero hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo pa ba sila. Kasi parang sobrang bright. Ayan, ang ganda. Very smooth. Oh my god. So ayan, subukan natin siya mamaya dyan sa market. Kasi dapat kahapon, susubukan ko siya sa market pero hindi ko na nagawa. Ay! Mas malayo pa. Oh my god.
Ultra wide.
In-extend ko yung aking tripod. Oh
Ultra
my
wide.
god. It's nice. Now they can see everything.
Yeah, even me.
Yeah. So ayan, dito i-collect ni Sumit yung kanyang telepono. Sama lang ako. Dito pala bumabagsak yung mga order. Oh my God, sobrang busy. Ganyan, oh. Where is it? Andun yung kanyang telepono. Bubuksan daw nila kuya. Ay, ang ganda. Yeah, I'm here behind you. Ang dami sako. Nabubuksan na nila kuya yung kanyang telepono. Ayan. Sako-sako yung mga delivery o packages.
वही जो मैं है ना दस रहे 273687
You came here yesterday too?
Yeah, come here. Lesson you can record me. आप बता रहे मेरे ना बना वीडियो राइट के मार्क बोले का साइड राइट मार्क डेली होता है हमारे साथ लेने की रेसिपी छह तो बाकी ओपन कर लो मैं कर सकता
They asked you to open the seal?
Yeah.
He's also making a video.
Yeah, because sometimes people just make fool of the company.
Ay, nagbablog din pala si kuya.
That they didn't receive or something like that.
Okay.
So they have to be careful. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Your box? You don't want your box?
No.
There's nothing inside? There's nothing. Okay.
You want gold?
No, it's okay.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ayan guys, dito kami sa...
My birthday gift!
This is where they drop all the packages?
Yeah, you saw? Messy.
Yeah. Like...
This is how they deliver.
Sack over sack of packages.
Yeah.
Sako na... buti hindi nasisira yung mga packages, no? Sako-sako talaga siya as in. And bongga yung camera ko.
Thank God I drove fast just now. Because I received the message out of delivery. So I thought...
he was about to deliver.
Yeah, but still he will take around 30 minutes here. Okay, let's show them nicely.
And it's really nice to vlog with Izumi. Oh my God. Uy.
We are tilted. Our car is tilted. Wait, 1 minute. We go somewhere nice.
Excited siya. Are you excited? Maybe you packed it.
Finally.
Park there.
I packed there. I parked there. Kapak. This is the kapak.
Yeah, free car park. Okay, we try. Can you stand there? No. Never mind. I'll hold it for you. Okay.
Okay.
Happy with your birthday gift?
No, right.
No, it won't really fit.
Okay.
Are you happy?
Very happy.
Birthday gift.
Jinkuya Barso.
Oh my God, free kiss pala. Dapat pala binibilhan ko everyday.
iPhone 13.
I should buy you something every day.
Yeah. So you will get kiss. Otherwise, no kiss. No money, no honey.
Yeah. Oh, no money, no honey.
Yeah.
Buy ka.
So iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 gigs. Graphite? What? What's the color? Yeah, black. I don't know.
Oh, sa mga hindi teki dyan, hindi na naman kayo makaka-relate kagaya ko.
So, let's open. Oh, see the camera.
Oh my God, why it's so big?
Because it's the latest.
Wait. Ang lalaki, ba't ganyan? Yung sa akin maliliit lang eh, parang baby-baby lang.
Yeah.
Oh, iba talaga. Kita nyo ba?
So now I can use this as my vlogging camera. I don't need to buy.
I think I haven't tell them that we already sold the Canon camera. Nabenta na namin yung Canon camera.
Yeah, I sold my camera.
Oo.
For a good price.
Sabi niya kasi, cellphone na lang daw siya kapag nagba-vlog kasi lagi niyang dala-dala yung cellphone, lalagay niya lang dito, tapos pag meron daw siyang gusto, gaganyan niya lang, tapos pwede rin siya mag-edit. You can even edit here, right? That's why.
iMovie. So it's faster.
And the camera of this is really, really good for vlogging.
Good. Very good.
Yung front, even the front cam, right?
Huh?
Even the front cam is really good. So
black is
yung,
nice. I thought the black won't be nice.
It's very nice. So ayan na yung
kanyang good, like for
vlogging
men.
Camera.
No, I mean the color.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's Men in Black, something like that. So let's on for the first time.
Someone's calling you. Someone's calling. Someone's calling.
There is tiny bit of scratch. Or what is that?
Is it original Apple?
Of course. Here.
Where did you get this from? Or you ordered from Flipkart, right?
Flipkart.
Okay, Flipkart.
But I see tiny bit of scratch when I open.
Today,
it's can you come near? Maybe here they can see you. No?
No idea.
It's there. This one.
Yeah. You know, I saw a video today that they can actually put the seal. Like they can open it and then put back the seal. From the video that I saw, this sticker here, they can actually get something like this and then just put the sticker and it will look like it's sealed, but actually they open it. The same iPhone 13X, 13 Pro Max, same.
Yeah, there is scratch.
Okay.
So I need to complain about this.
Oh, kasi guys, pag may scratch na yung cellphone, bumababa yung price. The price really drop like too much, sobra. Kaya pag may scratch, dapat tinitingnan nyo talaga yung gadget nyo bago. Or kahit na bagong open lang siya, naka-sealed pa. Pero may gasgas na. So ngayon guys, habang sinecheck niya yung mga ganyan-ganyan sa kanyang telepono, marami pala sa inyo nagko-comment na makipag-collaborate or makipag-meet kila Baljit and Sarah ng Sing and Sarah. Actually, nag-try kami. People keep commenting on my vlogs like daily. I see people saying that we should meet. But then they are also busy because Baljit came here in India after how many years? I don't know how many years kasi nga nag-pandemic and all that. And andito lang sila for vacation, not really permanent. So, marami silang lakad, marami silang ganap. Pero kinontak ko na sila, so nag-message ako sa kanilang FB page. Pero naintindihan ko naman kasi kahit kami rin ni Sumit, marami kaming lakad everyday. So ayan guys, so baka next time na lang kami magkikita. Hindi ko alam kung magkakaroon pa kami ng chance na makapag-meet habang andito sila. Basta yan. Or ibang mga vloggers na lang ang ating imi-meet. So guys, bumalik kami dito sa pinag-collectan namin ng phone ni Sumit kasi may gasgas yung kanyang telepono. Nawala na yung kaligayahan niya kanina. Excited pa man din siya. Kailangan namin ibalik yung cellphone kasi may gasgas.
Yeah!
Wawa naman siya.
I'm not happy.
Yeah, I know, right? It took them like 1 week, I think, is it?
Yeah.
To deliver.
I was waiting for it like I don't know how to explain.
Wala na, di na siya
because
masaya.
I'm using this Android phone Nandi gave me. It's Nandi's second phone. I mean Kuvar's phone.
Yes.
And I mean, I know how to use it, but you know, I don't like the functions and all. I don't like the quality and all. So, and somehow I can't use this as a camera for my vlogs or something.
Yeah.
And I wanna vlog. So that's why we bought that because you bought this as a gift for me, and I wanted this something like this. So it's a
So dito yan, dito kami bibili sa Master of Kebab, Meat Master, ewan ko, basta dyan. Gusto ko lang makakita ng mga isda. Usually sa mga gilid-gilid lang kami. Ah, itong mga isda nila, meron silang fish desi singara, fish basa, fish sole. Ayan din ang presyo. Ayan, usually sa gilid-gilid lang kami bumibili ng mga isda. Ngayon dito kami bibili sa may shop. Ang ganda ng camera ko, hindi mo feel na nagbablog ka. These are the fish.
Chicken and fish.
What kind of fish is that? Ayan yung kanilang fish.
Fish singara de 1.5 kilo. Without.
Which fish? That fish?
Marinated.
Which fish are you buying? That one?
Yeah, I think so.
That is salami, right?
Salami. In our language, we salami. No, we can learn salami.
Ah,
Yeah,
salute.
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 Yeah,
Salami.
Salami.
Ah, so meron din silang mga marinated na karne. Ayan, no?
A different kind of chicken.
Yeah, different kind of chicken. Tapos meron sila nung parang, is that kebab? That is kebab,
Kebab,
right?
yeah, kebab.
Oh, kebab.
This is
And,
Jackie.
tingnan niyo yung mga manok nila. Oh, wala na silang balat. No more skin. In my country, we eat chicken skin. Dito walang balat yung kanilang mga manok.
ਸਾਡੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ chicken skin ਖਾਂਦੇ skin remove ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਾਈਫ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਦੱਸੋ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਗੈਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਭਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇ heavy Asian country.
You're asking them to guess which country am I from? Ah, okay.
Asia ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਆ.
Okay, pinapahulaan ni Sumit kila kuya kung sang ano bansa daw ako galing. Tinitingnan nila ako eh. May palaro si Sumit dito ah.
Guess karo kung ano gay rin na yung pala yun daw ko yung Nepal Nepal India ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇੜੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਏਸ਼ੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ question ਬੜਾ ਤਗੜਾ they are confused they are not sure what to answer
Just
Singapore Malaysia Asia guess करो मैं फिर तन्नू एंड से दस लगे लागे यूपी लागे पहुंच गए बस
what's their guess?
These are maybe
Thailand. Okay, not bad.
These are maybe Singapore.
Okay, not bad.
Island in Asia
He will search.
Check Google.
It's so fine. Just tell him the answer.
It's too much.
Oh wow, yeah, that's too much. No.
मैं सोचा नहीं दसो ये भी ला रहा है कैसे हाँ हाँ लाओ लाओ कोई गल नहीं दस लाओ
Sige, magpapalaro si Sumit dito. Pinapahulaan niya kila kuya kung saang bansa ako galing.
भाजी ने गूगल दे देखना होते
Ay, he will check now?
Yeah.
Okay, check daw ni kuya sa Google.
करो तो ही
I-Google map niya ako.
कित्थों है इंडिया चो नहीं है के Asia the which country?
Okay, may palaro siya.
He will check.
Okay. Ay, gina-google talaga nila.
Asia ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੀ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੈਸੇ ਲਾਗੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਸਿੰਗਾਪੁਰ ਥਾਈਲੈਂਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਾਗੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਉਧਰ ਬਸ ਥਾਈਲੈਂਡ ਬੈਂਕਾਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਤੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਸਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੇ ਭਾਈ ਕਾਰਡ ਨੰਬਰ 820 कितना किलो है 750 रुपए।
So, they haven't guessed? Okay.
He said Vietnam, he said.
Somewhere near there. Huh?
Philippines.
Correct. They got it right. Philippines. Yes. Ready? Philippines.
Google there. Google answer सारे रहेगा।
Okay.
बहुत अनुभव भाई। मैं मोस्टली इतने होना ही है। मोस्टली इतने होना पड़ी है। इतने गुरदासपुर में गुरदासपुर तो फिर उठे आगे पकौड़े और मैरिज करवाई और इंडिया जाऊँगा। बहुत
Thank you. Hey guys, meron pa laro si Sumit sa mga tao dito. Pinapahulaan niya kung saan bansa ako galing.
Very friendly.
Yeah.
To everybody.
So yan guys, meron na kaming tawag dito. Wait. Yes, punta kami ng 3B2. Yes guys! Patapos lang namin nag-film ng aming video dito sa market ng 3B2 and sobrang ganda niya. So yan, meron kayong aabangan. Or yeah, hindi ko alam kung ano ba ang maa-up una itong vlog na to or yun. So I think we will be doing more of this content, right? So it's very nice. It's fun.
Maybe on my channel also, but in Punjabi, of course, guys. I'm so sorry.
And nakamit kami ng actor, model, /model, right? Oh my God. Actually, si Sumit ang nakaspot sa kanya. You spotted him behind, is it? And then you said, oh, let's interview him. He looks very good. Something like that. So ayan guys, abangan niyo sa vlog. Ewan ko kung ano bang unang lalabas. This one or that one. So anyways, tapos na ang lakad namin for today. I think I can end this vlog now too.
It's up to you.
Kasi guys, pagodan na eh. Wala nang energy. Sumasakit yung ulo ko kasi hindi ko rin feel yung makihalubilo sa mga tao. Nahihiya ako. Sumasakit yung ulo ko kasi ngiti ako ng ngiti. Kasi kapag kinakabahan ako, humingiti na lang ako ng humingiti. Nanginginig na yung pisngi ko kanina. So ayun guys, so yung nagustuhan yung vlog for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. And I hope to see you again next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.